Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing how to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So open WhatsApp and click on the three lines on the top right corner. Click on settings, click on account, and on the bottom you can see delete my account. Click on delete my account. So it will explain to you what is going to happen. It will delete your account from WhatsApp, erase your message history, and from the groups also you will be removed. We need to provide the mobile number. Choose the country first and provide the mobile number and click on delete my account. So it will ask for the reason. You can choose any one of the reasons, and if you want to write something custom you can choose other and write whatever you want and click on delete my account. So it will ask for final confirmation and it says that your data cannot be recovered. It's fine, and fine, it's deleted now. Your WhatsApp account has been deleted. So already I open another WhatsApp and it's showing the contacts. Let's see, in the contacts we have to refresh so that it will be disappearing. So you can see that that number is disappeared, but the chat history will stay there, but you cannot find the contact anymore because you already deleted the WhatsApp account. So we verified it as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.